Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily stop autoplaying videos in your Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, open the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to navigate to your page. At the top, click on the three bars. And then when you go to Settings, scroll down until you find a setting called Media Quality. Click on it. The only thing you'll need to do is activate the very first feature. This will help you reduce your cellular data usage. Because uploading videos to Instagram, it certainly takes more cellular data when you're scrolling through the feed. And if you turn that feature on, the videos will take longer to load, or they won't load at all, so you'll pause the autoplaying of the video. And also save your cellular data usage. This is how you can stop autoplaying video clips on Instagram. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, also put your likes. See you later.